What if the President of the United States tried to fire a Federal Reserve governor, something that's supposed to be impossible? Today, Donald Trump is once again testing the limits of presidential power, and the consequences could reshape both American politics and the economy. Welcome back, and let's dive into the latest developments. President Trump has announced he intends to fire Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, accusing her of mortgage fraud. But legal experts across the spectrum say the president does not have that power. Federal Reserve governors serve 14-year terms, specifically designed to keep the nation's monetary policy independent from politics. Lisa Cook has refused to resign, and Democrats and economists warn that Trump's move could destabilize markets and set a dangerous precedent, one where the White House directly controls interest rates and inflation policy. This clash is quickly becoming the #1 political flashpoint of the week. Meanwhile, Trump signed an executive order aimed at criminalizing flag burning. The Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled that flag burning is protected as free speech, but Trump is instructing the Justice Department to pursue charges under public safety and environmental laws. This move is already sparking fierce debate about free expression and presidential overreach. At the same time, the administration announced it will cancel a major offshore wind project near Maryland and Delaware. Supporters say the project would have powered hundreds of thousands of homes, while critics argue that scrapping it represents another setback in the fight against climate change. In Utah, a federal judge has struck down the state's Republican-drawn congressional map, ruling it unconstitutional due to partisan gerrymandering. The state is now ordered to redraw its districts before the 2026 elections, a decision that could have major consequences for control of the House. Immigration has also returned to the spotlight as ICE once again detained Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a teenager who was wrongfully deported earlier this year. The case is drawing outrage from civil rights groups and raising fresh questions about how deportations are being carried out. From the fight over Federal Reserve independence to culture war battles and redistricting, today's news shows one clear trend. The Trump administration is pushing the boundaries of presidential power, while opponents push back in the courts and in Congress. What do you think? Should the president have the authority to fire a Federal Reserve governor? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because this story is only getting bigger.